Hello everyone, welcome to Vitech Talks. As part of today's session, we are going to talk about how to run LLMs in local machine. So first of all, what is this LLM? So we need to understand. Okay, so we need to understand first. So LLMs are nothing but it's like large language models. Okay, large language models. So what is the use of this LLMs? So you may have seen like ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT, Gemini AI, Perplexity. So how these are working? So with the help of these LLMs. So what are the different LLMs which it is available in the market as of now? Okay. So even if you use ChatGPT in the background, okay. So we do have LLMs called LLaMA. Okay. So we do have Mistral. So we'll talk about more on this. Okay. Claude. So these are the LLMs. So based on these LLMs, this ChatGPT or Gemini AI or Perplexity, so whatever the AI, so the AI tool which we are using on daily basis. So based on this LLMs only, it is going to work. See again, coming to LLMs, so LLMs are nothing but it's like APIs. So based on the API results, okay, so what is the request which we are going to provide? So what it will do? So the user is going to pass input message, right? Like hi or something. So it will talk to the server and it is going to provide the response. So based on the input. So here backend everything it is a API, application programming interface. Okay, application program interface. So we'll talk about more in detail. So what is API? So what are the different methods which it is available? How to create an API and how to call the APIs and all. But today our main agenda is like how to run LLMs in local machine. So here, in order to run LLMs in local machine, so we do have a Ollama. Okay, just go to Google and type OLLAMA. Okay, Ollama download. The very first link you can click this one. Okay, so here you can see models. Okay, so click on this models. So these are the LLM models. So which it is available as of now. See here, Ollama 3, DeepSeek, Gemini 3. So these are the LLM models. These are the LLM models. Even if you want to search, okay, some specific Llama, Llama 4 is there, Llama 3.1, 3.2. Okay, so these are the different LLM models. So whenever you are going to give input, so it will talk to the LLM model, and based on this LLM model, it is going to provide the results. Okay, these are there are a lot of things. So what you can do, go to this Ollama.com and here you can see models. Okay, so first what we need to do is, okay, we need to download. So if it is Windows machine, you can click on this Windows. If it is Mac, you can click on this Mac and you can download the Ollama software. So it is downloading here. So it is having 1.2 GB. So it may take some time. Meanwhile, what we can do, so you can open command prompt, CMD. So here you can type, okay, just here you can type Ollama. See here, Ollama is not recognized as an internal or external command. So this means this Ollama is not yet installed. Okay, so not yet installed into our machine. So that is the reason I can able to see this. So if you want to install again, what you need to do, you need to go to the official website. It's like ollama.com. So here you can download. Okay. So as soon as if it is downloaded, you can go to downloads. Once it is downloaded, here you can see the Ollama setup. So this is exe file. Once you see this setup file, so what you need to do, just double click on this one or just give right click or click on run as administrator. Okay. Run as administrator. So as soon as if you give double click, so you can able to see this kind of window. So where we need to install it. Okay. Just click on this install. So what it will do, so automatically it is going to extract all the files and it is going to get it installed into your machine. So before install, if you go to command prompt and if you type Ollama, so you can able to see this one. Okay, it is not recognized as an internal or external command. So once it is installed, you can able to see all the versions and all the commands here. Okay, just wait for few seconds to get it installed. So once it is downloaded, just type Ollama here. So sometimes what we need to do is, okay, you need to close the CMD and you have to reopen again. See here. So once it get installed, so you can able to see these options. So we can see options called run, create, serve, pull, push. Okay. So these are the things which it is available here. So mainly, so what we need to do here. So first, you need to pull the model from a repository. Okay. This is very important. So first you need to pull, then you need to run a model. So if you want to start Ollama, then you need to use this serve command, or else directly you can run this also, but it will take some time. So that is the reason what we need to do here. So we are going to pull the model. Okay, now again. So how to pull this? Just type Ollama pull. So which model you want to pull? Okay, that's very important. So what you can do here, you can go to official website and click on these models. Type Llama. Okay, so I'm going to select this model. Okay, I'm going to select this one. Just click on this one. So this is the command Ollama run llama 3, but this is the model. So first I need to pull the model. See here you can directly run your model too, but that will take a lot of time. So that is the reason. So first we are going to pull the model, then we are going to run this model. Even here, like you can observe, there is a Python code. So if you want to run, okay, from Python also, you can run these models. Even it's from JavaScript. Even we have an API. So this is our API. Okay, this is our API. If you want to work with this, so this is how it is going to work. So even what you can do, you can use the curl. Okay, even you can use the curl here. So once again, you can go to models, just type llama. So which one you want to use it? Okay, llama 3.2. I'm going to select. Now go to command prompt. So llama pull llama 3.2. Okay, so this is pulling the manifest. So it will pull all the data. So it's like whatever the data which you are going to provide, right? It's like input, right? The same thing it is pulling here, like all the code or data. So whatever it is available. So what we are doing, we are going to pull it into our local. So once you pull this model, so then we are going to run it. We are going to run this. So here you can see. So these are the curl. Even you can use this. Okay. So all the models which it is running in 11434. 11434. So if you are very familiar with Postman or Thunder, right? So what you can do directly, you can use this URL. You can use this URL. So as of now, what I'm trying to do here, just localhost 11434. See, Ollama is running. So this means Ollama is up now. Ollama is up. Now we can use this entire URL. So if you have Postman, see 405 method not allowed. So because here it is a get method, always it will go with the get method. So we have to pass the values via post method. So that we will see it in a next video. So how to call the post method and how to call LLMs via Postman. How to trigger the APIs. See everything backend, everything it is an API. Everything it is an API. So we are going to provide the input and based on the input, we are going to get the response. So the 51% it is completed. Just wait for a few seconds. So now successfully installed LLaMA 3.2 model into our local machine. So in order to install this model, so what we need to do? So we need to pull. Okay. So once it is done, you need to use run a model. LLaMA run LLaMA 3.2. So this is the model we are going to run it in our local system. See here, send a message. Just type hi. See here how beauty it is. If you send a request message like hi, how can I help you today? Okay. So if you want, you can ask anything. It's like from ChatGPT. So how you are asking our Gemini AI or Claude or Notebook LLMs. Okay. So here I'm going to ask, okay, what is Snowflake? See here the response. See, it is related to the weather also it is there. Okay, Snowflake. It's related to the weather and also the technology and also the mathematics. So you need to give a prompt as specific. Okay. So if you want as a database site, okay. So what is Snowflake as per the cloud warehouse database? Then you have to provide that. Or else again, I want to write a program. Okay. So write a Java program to print numbers from 1 to 10. See here. Here is the simple Java program that is going to print numbers from 1 to 10. The class, the void method, void main, the for loop, which we are going to use it I equal to 1 and I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. Okay, and the explanation also it is giving. And if you want to write any SQLs, okay, I want to write some SQLs. Okay, see here the output also. Write SQL to find duplicates, duplicate names from employee table. See, here is an SQL query. So that is going to give a duplicate names. Select name count of star as a count from employees. Group by having count star greater than 1. So even if you want to see the Windows functions, okay, what are the Windows functions which it is there, then you can give the prompt. See, with example also it is providing. Windows functions in SQL. See, if I type Windows functions, but it is giving us the string functions. But if you want to stop this, then it's just you can press as Control C. Okay. If you want to terminate with the current flow, just you can press Control C. So Windows functions like row number or rank. Can you give me a list? See, based on your prompt only, it is going to work. Okay. So if you give correct prompt, then it is going to provide the correct results. So if you want to terminate, then you can use Control C. So we need to terminate and use Control plus C. If you press this Control C, it is going to terminate. Again, if you want to come back from this, then you need to type a slash with a boy. Then only it is going to understand, okay, my task is completed, then we can terminate entirely. So again, if you want to run a model, then again, Ollama run model name. See here, row number, rank, dense rank, entire, okay, percent rank. So like this, it is going to provide the output. So once again, just recap of the session. So what we have discussed. So here, first you need to download. Okay, just you need to download the software, Ollama. So click on this download and you can install it to your local. Then you can go to models and choose your corresponding models. Okay, I have chosen Llama 3.2. Okay, so here we have a CLI. If you want to run it from CLI, just first you need to pull this Llama, then you need to run this model. So I want to terminate. Yes, Control C slash boy. See here, it was a nice chatting with you. Then it is going to end. Have a great day. Bye for now. Forward slash with bye. See here. Again, if you type Ollama, it is going to provide all the available commands. So based on these commands, you can run. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this. Happy learning. If you like this content, please do subscribe our channel. So okay, please click on this subscribe button and do subscribe for more updates.